In this contractor's opinion, there are two things that make a great deck. Number one, face screwing for the ultimate improvement in strength and stability. Number two, plugging. Plugging brings the highest degree of professional finish to the projects you work on.
Doesn't that look great?
Whether it's high-end decks, fine interior floors, or woodworking, plugging is the true signature of a skilled and serious craftsman. That said, it's a real pain in the butt. And in a world of time and money, it's a lot of both. You got to cut the holes, you got to screw, you got to cut the plugs, got to roll the plugs in glue, you got to set the plugs, you got to chisel the plugs, and you got to sand. All my customers love the idea of plugging. Some even suggest it themselves. But when they see the price tag, a lot back off. At least they used to, but recently I've become a big fan of this.
The SmartBit Pro Plug system for wood from Starborn. The Pro Plug system allows me to cut a plugging project in half.
Half the time, half the money. Jobs look fantastic. My very satisfied customers become my best salespeople. Let me show you how it works.
As a contractor, I really like when companies understand what my job is all about. And the engineers at Starborn, the guys who invented the SmartBit Pro Plug system, really get it. Just watch this. I just drilled, screwed, glued, and plugged this deck board in less than 20 seconds. Don't believe it? Get your stopwatches out. And just look at that. Perfect.
Perfect every time, because the Pro Plug system is the first engineered system designed to work together. In fact, it's the only single system on the market.
So let's take a look at what makes this SmartBit Pro Plug system tick, starting with the tool. Most of you probably already know or have worked with the SmartBit. Well, this is a specially designed SmartBit that pre-drills and cuts a perfect plug hole every time.
And what goes in that perfect hole? Two things.
The perfect screw and the perfect plug. The stainless steel screw has a head contour to exactly match the countersink hole made by the tool. And look at this. There's no other plug like this. It's not a straight-sided plug. See the slight taper? Just enough to seal the hole, but small enough to let the entire plug get pressed in.
This design allows for a tight, perfect fit. All you need is a thin coating of glue to hold the plug in. Just what you want. Now check this out. When I say these Starborn engineers think of everything, this is what I mean.
See the holes on the side of this uniquely designed nozzle? They distribute the glue to the sidewalls of the plug hole and the sides of the plug, so the fit is secured properly, not just bottom glued.
So the plugs stay where you put them. And because the guys who designed this nozzle really did their homework, the nozzle fits these popular glue brands. Take everything I've just described and put it all together. The specially designed SmartBit, the screws, stainless steel for exterior, and these yellow zinc screws for indoor applications. The glue nozzle, and these specially engineered plugs. They make Pro Plug a state-of-the-art plugging system. By the way, think I can beat my record? Watch this. In case I did that too fast and you want to learn more, complete installation instructions are available online and in each plug and fastener kit.
The SmartBit Pro Plug system for wood from Starborn. Hey, you gotta love it.
For those of you who lay fine flooring, especially wide planks that have a tendency to cup, the SmartBit Pro Plug system is a practical and efficient way to make your floors look great and stay looking great. This maple flooring is very popular these days. However, if not properly secured to the underflooring, it may cup. To prevent cupping, I fasten it down about 1 inch in on both sides. Looks great, and trust me, the boards are going to stay that way. A lot of my customers are using contrasting plugs, mixing species.
I think it's a great look. The SmartBit Pro Plug system for wood is a fast and easy way to make your flooring projects look better and last a lifetime.
When it comes to cabinetry and woodworking projects, plugs have two important roles. The first is to cover fasteners. The second suggests doweling, the signature of old world craftsmanship. I'm just finishing up this maple table.
Look at what these plugs bring to the project, and it's so easy. Watch.
Now I'll give it a nice sanding. Typically I'd wait till the next day for the glue to set. Looks beautiful, feels great to the touch. Next little finish and I'm done. Well, here it is. Now tell me that doesn't look fantastic. I also want you to take a look at these other tables. With this maple table, I use contrasting walnut plugs.
I really like the way this looks. The plugs stand out just enough, but not too much.
I made this table for outdoor use. It's Ipe with Ipe plugs. These end tables are just one woodworking application for the SmartBit Pro Plug system. I also use it on cabinets, benches, even dressers and built-ins. I've even used the plugs without the screws to give ready-made pieces that special touch. Each Pro Plug tool comes with this special stub bit specifically for this application.
I bet you'll find lots of ways to use the Pro Plug system in your woodworking too.
If you're a contractor like me, you probably get a lot of questions about hidden fastener systems.
Are they as strong or as stable as they should be? Have they been around long enough to really prove themselves? How long will they last?
No one really knows how hidden fasteners are going to perform over the long haul, but face screwing has earned its stripes. You know it's going to last.
And now with the SmartBit Pro Plug system for wood, you get the proven strength and stability of face screwing with the appearance benefits of hidden fastener systems.
I've installed all types of hidden fasteners, but my recommendation is always traditional face screwing, especially now with the Pro Plug system. A lot of my customers like the look of naturally weathered decks. The question I get asked is, will the plugs in the Pro Plug system weather the same way as the rest of the material on my deck? The answer is yes, because you match the plug species with the wood decking species you're using.
The SmartBit Pro Plug system for wood has over 20 species of plugs to choose from.
These plugs will match with any natural decking material the day you put them in and all the years to follow. More and more of my customers are asking me about plugging just for decoration, to give the look of their fine interior floors that little something extra. The SmartBit Pro Plug system includes the perfect accessory just for this purpose, the stub bit. Here's how it works in a beautiful piece of maple from Heritage wide plank flooring.
It creates the perfect hole for the Pro Plug system's specially designed plugs. Just drill, glue, and plug, and you can give existing flooring or even woodworking projects the high finished look of plugs.
Especially plugs that contrast to wood, like these walnut plugs in maple. What a great look.